In today's video, I'm going to teach you some invaluable tips to manage your Asana inbox and help you avoid that overwhelming feeling. We all know that managing an inbox full of updates, comments, and tasks can quickly become daunting, but don't worry, with a few strategic changes, you'll find yourself navigating Asana like a pro. First things first, let's talk about using filters. Your inbox can be a mix of various notifications, and not everything needs your immediate attention. By clicking on the filter options within your inbox, you can prioritize what's essential. Try focusing on notifications that are directly assigned to you, those that mention you, or important project updates. This ensures that you're not constantly bombarded with information that doesn't directly affect your tasks. Next up, let's cut down on those noisy notifications. Head over to My Settings and then navigate to Notifications. Here, you have the power to customize what notifications you receive. Disable those unnecessary email or push alerts and keep only the essential ones like task assignments or mentions. This refinement will help maintain a focus on what truly requires your immediate attention. A third crucial tip is to batch check your messages. It can be tempting to keep an eye on your inbox every 5 minutes, but this can lead to a loss of productivity. Instead, allocate specific times throughout the day, perhaps 2 to 3 times to clear your inbox, similar to how you would manage your email. This way, you're still staying on top of updates without constant distraction. Now let's make sure to archive efficiently. Use the archive feature as soon as you finish reading a message. Archiving doesn't mean deleting, it's simply a way to remove items from your immediate view, thus reducing clutter while still keeping the messages accessible if you need them later. Another great trick is to create rules for updates. Automate some of your inbox management by designing rules so that status changes or comments on tasks move or organize automatically. This cuts down on unnecessary notifications and keeps your workflow running smoothly without your manual intervention. Lastly, remember that the inbox is ideal for updates, but My Tasks is better for your actual work. Rely on My Tasks more to prioritize what you need to focus on. When you receive crucial updates, transfer them promptly to tasks or subtasks within your projects. This way you're constantly aligning what comes into your inbox with your daily to-do list, maintaining a high level of productivity. With these tips, managing your Asana inbox should become much less of a headache. Implementing these changes will not only streamline your process, but